Ever lost an important file right before a big meeting? Or maybe you've struggled with your documents being stuck on just one computer. With Windows 11 and OneDrive, those headaches are finally over. Today, I'll show you how to unleash the full power of OneDrive, from automatic backups and seamless syncing to advanced security and real-time collaboration. By the end, you will wonder how you ever worked without it. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Flow with Ken. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips. For returning viewers, please like, comment and share this video as I'm about to unveil a real game changer. Your support means the world to me. Imagine never having to search for a file again, or effortlessly picking up where you left off on any device. This video unlocks the secret to ultimate productivity and peace of mind with OneDrive on Windows 11. Say goodbye to file management nightmares and hello to effortless cloud synchronization that keeps you connected and your data safe. OneDrive isn't just cloud storage, it's a digital workspace. Think of it as the ultimate solution for file clutter. With Windows 11, OneDrive is built right in, meaning your files are always a click away, no matter where you are. Forget about juggling flash drives or emailing documents to yourself. Everything just syncs. Here are the core features of OneDrive in Windows 11. First up, auto syncing. With a quick setup, your desktop documents, pictures, and videos folders can sync automatically. That means if your computer crashes or you switch devices, your files are waiting for you. Next, files on demand. You can see all your files in File Explorer, but they don't take up space unless you open them. It's perfect for keeping your PC clutter-free. And of course, real-time collaboration. You and your team can edit Word, Excel or PowerPoint files together. No more emailing attachments or asking who has the latest version. Now, if you want to take your workflow further, let's dive into some advanced sync strategies. First is selective syncing. Selective sync lets you choose which folders stay on your PC and which remain cloud only. When two people edit the same file at once, OneDrive flags it and creates copies so nothing is lost. And if syncing ever gets stuck, there are built-in troubleshooting tools to fix it quickly. Of course, none of this matters without security, and that's where OneDrive shines. The personal vault adds an extra lock with two-factor authentication, like a digital bank vault for your most sensitive files. Sharing controls let you set view-only access, expiration dates, or full editing rights. And version history means you can roll back to earlier versions of any file. It's a lifesaver when you overwrite something important. Now, let's bring it all together. OneDrive is deeply integrated with Microsoft Office apps. Open, edit, and save straight to the cloud without thinking twice. On mobile, the OneDrive app gives you access on the go. You can even auto back up your camera roll so every photo is safe. This isn't just storage, it's future-proofing your digital life. Whether you upgrade your PC, lose a device, or just want peace of mind, the files are always with you, everywhere you go. That's the power of OneDrive in Windows 11. From simple syncing to advanced security, it's the cloud upgrade your workflow deserves. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Windows 11 tips and tech hacks. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite OneDrive feature? Or the one you can't wait to try. Until next time, keep the tech flowing.